Hello everyone, it's Millicent from WANSHSIN, and today we are visiting our factory, and now I'm inside our showroom. Let's go and see together. WANSHSIN is a professional gearbox, gear motor, controller manufacturer and intelligent automation complete solution provider, integrating R&D, production, sales and service. We have become one of the companies with the most complete product line in the field of speed reducer. Products are widely used in automotive production lines, robots, construction, warehousing and logistics, garages, construction elevators, ceramics, animal husbandry machinery, and other industrials. We will mill the feed, cavity, and drill the hoses of the gearbox case in CNC machines. The input shaft, output shaft, gears, and other parts will go through rough turning, fine turning, and high fluency or carbazing quizzing, fine rolling to ensure each part process accuracy based on drawing. We have imported Kashifushi, Mazaka milling machine, and other high-precision equipment from Japan. These machines ensure the quality and precision of our core parts. This is our assembly workshop. On the left hand, we can see our staff are assembling RFKS series gearboxes. The gear and gear shafts will be heated before assembling. We will process 100% tests for the air tightness and noise for all gearboxes. Our motors are windy in this plant. We have our own professional team designing and producing motors here. The final test will be done here for all the finished products. We will do the final packing and painting. Hello everyone, we can see here is our finished product warehouse. Our products have 1-year quality warranty and passed international certifications like CE, CCC, ISO, etc. We will provide on-time after-sales service and logistics service. We have a strong R&D team to provide OEM and ODM service. We are sure you can find the best solution in WANSHSIN. Thanks for your time, and we are waiting for your inquiries. Bye-bye.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.